Binomial, that means that you have two terms, yeah, in your expansion. Okay, something like you have yeah, this one plus selective, another one, and then all together to the power n. Yeah, to expand this is the binomial theorem. Okay, expand this one. Yeah, bi, that means two terms. Okay, so inside the bracket you have two terms here. So we call it binomial. Okay, and then I need you to know is that for binomial, okay, you have a theory that in order to expand, the coefficient will have the structure like this. For example, square we have 1, 2, 1, and for the cube we have 1, 3, 3, 1, and to the power 4 you have 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, etc. etc. Have you ever learned that? 有冇學過呢啲啊？冇學過。好。Okay, let's see here. Okay, study the following expression. Okay, something like yeah, for the binomial use the power 0, so which is equals 1, because all number to the power 0 equals 1. 所有數嘅零次方都一啊嘛。And then to the power 1, that means this is 1, this is 1, so we have a plus x unchanged. Okay, but if we have the square term here, we know that before is that that we have, for example, a plus b, the all square. You know that it is equals to equals to 1 times a square plus 2ab. Yeah, in fact, a is to the power 1, b is also to the power 1, and then plus b, and then 1 times b squared. If I write a little bit longer, okay, what is the structure? Okay, you can realize that this is 1, 2, 1. Okay, yeah. If I expand a little bit longer, something like that. In fact, we have b also, but the b to the power 0 here. How about the last one? We have a also, but the a to the power 0. Okay. Yeah, this is a longer explanation. Okay, but we also have the coefficient is that 1, 2, 1 here. 下個即係個 term 前面都係1、2、1嘅啫嘛，見到。咁所以如果你記咗呢個 structure 咧，其實就好易搞噶啦。1, 1, 2, 1. How can we have this one is 2? Because it's very easy. When we sum these two together, yeah, we have 2. Okay, how about the next term? The coefficient is easy because it's 1, 3, 3, 1. How can we do that? If I sum the above 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then another one is that 2 plus 1 we have equals 3. Okay, so we have 1, 3, 3, 1, etc. etc. Get it? 咁樣去嘅啫。下一個點解呢個係4咧？ The next one, why it is 4? This is 6. It's also easy. When we sum this together, 1 plus 3 equals 4, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Yeah. 3 plus 1 equals 4, etc. etc. Got it? Yeah, they ask you for the expansion for to the power 5. Okay, it's also easy. Okay, to the power 5. Yeah, we have the coefficient. Yeah, something like that. This one will equals. Yeah, we sum these two together, sum these two together, sum these two together, sum these two together. So if we write down is that 1. And then this one is 5, because the front and also the back is also 1, should be 1. 即係最頭同最尾咧，係第一嚟㗎。 咁其他就加鬼晒嘅啫嘛，一加四咪5咯，4加6咪10咯，係嘛？It's also 10. It's also 5. It's also last one is 1. Got it? Easy. 嗱，咁樣去好鬼死易嘅啫，其實。But how about other terms? Okay, when we expand, how about other terms? In fact, for other terms, yeah, I would like to tell you the structure for this. You can see that the first term is in a descending order of power. Okay, another highlighter to highlight this. 第先講把 highlight 啦噃。Okay, you can see that for the power of A is a to A square, and then A to the power 1, A to the power 0. Get it? So for power of A, it's descending order. 即係逆序喎，2次方、1次方、0次方嘅啦。Okay? But for power of B, is ascending order. Okay? So arrow here, power of B. That is the second term. Yeah, that means the second term. Ascending power. Okay. Got it? And the first term, yeah, but once again, descending power. Got it? So we just remember the structure like this. Okay, first of all, coefficient is easy. Coefficient. Yeah, you just you can simply list out when you have the examination. Just list them out. Okay, it's easy. Yeah, in the examination we will not test you other than 10 一定唔會過10㗎啦個次方咁你5啊、6啊、7啊、8啊咁樣都好易搞嘅有陣時你唔會過10㗎啦。And for the term here, remember the first term should be descending power. So the first term is A here, is descending power. 個 power 幾多咧 ？Because we have for this one the maximum power is 2, so descending power is 2, 1, 0. But for the second term, it's ascending power. Second term is B, ascending power is 0, 1, 2. Okay? Now we know about this structure first. Okay? So, what I would like to teach you next, okay? Is this one. Okay, for example, I don't use the notes to teach you. I use my original method. Okay, for example, ax plus or minus by all together to the power what thing? To the power something like 6. Okay? 咁啊就6次方咁樣咯噃。Got it? Yeah, I'll give you the structure. This is the general structure. If you can finish this, all other you can also finish. Okay? Okay, first of all, you write down the coefficient first. Okay? For before is 1, 5, 10, 10. Yeah, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay? And then for the next one, you write down for me. It's very easy. Okay, for the 6. Okay, you write down for me. This will be 1, 6. 你畫啦，你寫返呢個先啦噃。上高嗰兩個加晒就下底嗰個。So it's 1, 6, 15, 15. Sorry, 15, 20, sorry. Yeah, 15, 6, and then 1. Okay, all the coefficients are already finished. Get it? 所有完咗咯個 coefficient 啊，咁要點咧 ？What can we do next? And put all the coefficients over here. Of course, with all terms separate a little bit. Yeah, all terms separate a little bit. And then first one is that you multiply the first term in ascending order or descending order. 第一個 term 係 ascending descending. Descending 講得好啦 ，thank you. It's a descending order. So the first term in descending order. Descending order, of course, starting from 6 here because the maximum power is 6. 最大嘅次方係6次方啊嘛，係咪 ？So we have here 6. Okay, and then the next one. Yeah, this is the second term is ascending order. Okay, 0. Okay, and then we finish the first term. Okay, how about the second term? Yeah, because I haven't mentioned this is a plus sign or negative sign. Okay, if it is a negative sign, okay, we take a look on the second part first. Okay, we ignore the sign first. Okay, plus or negative we ignore first. Okay, I tell you next one first. Okay, because for the next term it is the also descending order, so it must be ax to the power 5. Okay, because it's descending order. After we have 6, so we have 5. Okay, it's easy. Yeah, and then for the by, the second term, yeah, it must be to the power 1. Yeah, thank you, to the power 1. Okay, think about this. When the second term is to the power 1, 任何數嘅一次方，咁佢前面有正有負咧，會唔會影響到佢啊？一次方嘅話，負係咪照跟負啊？唔會影響到佢係咪 ？So when this is a negative sign, yeah, because the right part is negative, okay, something like that. The right part is negative, okay. When we have to the power 1, it will not affect the second term, okay. So we can still write down this is a positive or negative sign. Get it? This is 照跟嘅 okay. Okay, how about the third one? The third one, it should be yeah, you write it down. The next term, it should be ax to the power 4, and then by to the power what? Yeah, 2. Thank you, to the power 2. Okay, because the second term is to the power 2. Okay, no matter it's positive or negative, if we have the square, also left is positive only. Got it? 第二個 term 咧，無論係正又好負又好啦 ，square 咗都係得翻正啦，係嘛？而家呢個就係正啦，咁咯。So take a look on the positive or negative side. We have the hint that, in fact, the second term before will follow 即係總之第二個 term 咧係會 follow 翻正負喎你正我就正，你負我就負咯。But for the third term, we ignore the negative side. It must be positive here. Okay， 總之卡啦咁去啦，簡單嚟講。Okay， 呢個正負，呢個正啦，呢個正負，呢個正啦，呢個正負。Okay。Okay, and you write down all the things for me now。咁你做埋咧其他嗰啲嘞噃。Okay。咁我做得慢過你啦，咁你就慢慢做，唔係做得快過啦要有對答案。Okay, match the answer with me later on. Okay, do it on your own. Now, Okay, so use highlighter to highlight the positive or negative one. Okay, you see that they follow the trend that 照跟，跟住咧就正啦，照跟就正啦，照跟嘅正啦，係咪？照跟嘅意思，許正我就正，許負我就負啊。但係其他加嗰啲咧就一定係正㗎啦，嗰啲啊咁啊做晒咯喎。咁啊，即係考試時候有一題咁樣㗎啦嚇。In your examination, you have this to expand. Okay, follow this rule, and then you can finish all the term. Get it? So of course, how can we make additional work? Is that because every term to the power of 0 equals 1，任何數零次方都一啊嘛，咁所以呢個查鬼咗啦，係嘛？任何數零次方都一 ，every term to the power of 0 equals 1, so we can cross it out, okay, which is 1. Yeah, but for the pattern, you should write something like this. Get it? 咁你做晒喎，知唔知啊？就算你咁樣做到咁嘅樣咧，唔 simplify 佢咧嚇，我哋考試都俾好高分嘅啦，因為 simplify 係一個1分嘢嚟嘅啫。當呢個 expand 已經有3分嘅啦。For the expansion, is already got 3 marks. Okay, no matter you have simplified it or not. Okay, so if you don't have time, just expand it and skip it. Okay, it's okay. 嗱，個1分號俾佢啦，冇啲啊，嗱。嚇親見我啊！有問題。Okay, but I would like to teach you that if we follow this method, to calculate the coefficient. It's a little bit silly, okay? If the n is a little bit large. 如果咧個 n 咧係大得好緊要，譬如話 n 係10幾噶嘛，哇！如果譬如 n 係12咁先算啦，哇！我哋咁樣做咧係冇低能啊，咁樣做落去，咁樣馬路加落好低能㗎嘛，咁點搞咧？ If I would like to find the specific terms coefficient， 如果淨係揾其中一個 term coefficient 嘅話咧 ，OK， what can we do？ Now I would like to teach you another method called NCR method. Okay. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, NCR method is to find term the specific term. Find the coefficient, sorry. You remember last time I told you that this is 14641, and then this is the 1 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 1 is missing. Got it? Yeah, if I would like you to find a specific term for something like this one, okay, 10. In fact, 10 is equals to 5C2, okay? Yeah, that means you can find the specific term immediately. Yeah, with this method. Okay, this is what we call NCR method. But of course, if the power is less than or equal 6, I use the original method is easy。即係如果個 n 即係次方係6次方或以下啦，我用翻頭先個方法係咪快好多？但係如果呢個咧話下下撳機喎，你好辛苦啊。Okay, for this method, you need to use your calculator to calculate NCR. Okay, what NCR is about is very easy. Just by using your calculator here. For example, 5C2. Yeah, 5C2 is 5 here, and then C is over this one. Okay, C is over this one. So it's a shift over sign, okay, and then 2. Got it? And then which is 10. Once again, how about 4C3? 4C3. Sorry, 4C2 here, this one. 4 and then shift this one, 2. Yeah, shift over sign, okay? Shift divide sign, okay? And then we have 6, okay? This is a method to help you to find the specific term, coefficient. Yeah. Starting from 0. Yeah, so so I would like to teach you is that this is from ascending power. Something like for this. It is the ascending power. Start with ascending power, okay? Something like the second term. Yeah, as same as the second term's power, okay? Now, second term's power, that is starting from 0 okay? For the second term, it starts from power 0, power 1, power 2, etc., etc. Got it? So the last one here should be a 5C5. Okay, if you don't have any problems that we can calculate a few questions for this. Okay, I would like to teach you to how to expand this, okay? Yeah, ax minus 3 to the power 5. Okay, this one. Yeah, in fact, this one I use the original method. It's easy, okay? I use the original method. It's easy because this is already the term ax plus or minus by to the power 5. Got it? Here. Yeah, it's equal to this term. Okay. So what we need to do is just use back our original method is okay。用翻之前嘅方法得㗎啦，你唔使用 NCR 呢個咁辛苦嘅，因為個次方少嘛because the power is not too high. So use the original method, something like this. Okay, first of all, once again we write down 1 5, 10, 10, 5, 1 first. Okay, and then followed by the slogan is that the first term descending order, second term ascending order. Okay. So what we have here is that this one is 2x ascending power, sorry, descending power. 咦，唔係喎，呢個斷咗。Descending, sorry, ascending. Yeah, so this one is to the power 5, and second term, yeah, to the power 0. Yeah, you know that the 0 can be written down or not written down is also okay. Okay, for the second term, it must be follow the positive relative sign. Okay， 咁我講過啦，第二個即係之後嗰個符咧就跟足噶嘛，你正我就正，你負我就負啊嘛。So this one follow, so it is minus sign. Okay. Okay, and then the first term descending again, so it's 2x. Descending is to the power 4. Second term ascending is to the power 1. Yeah. And then for the second term, sorry, for the third term, it should be plus. 點我話之前係正負，之後又加㗎嘛？定係之後又正負，之後又加㗎？卡啦卡啦去嘅。正負嘅意思咧，即係跟咁解嚇，係跟即係 follow 咁解呢個。OK。但係你記唔記得嚇？咁啊唔記得咗話翻俾你聽呢度咯。You remember this the first side here should be follow 跟嘅 second side here should be plus third side here should be follow 第三個符一定係 follow 啊 follow 啫咩？你加我就加，你減我就減咯，呢個就叫 follow 啦。嗱係啦，第一個符、第三個符、第五個符都係 follow 嘅，都係跟足你呢個符嘅。嗱，其他嗰啲第二個符、第四個符、第六個符嗰啲咧就係一定加嘅，咁咯。Okay, so this one, the second term, the first term, descending. Yeah, it's power 3. Second term, ascending. Power 2. Yeah, then this one, follow. Follow is should be negative.你唔使跟佢嗰個其實嚇，你唔使跟佢嗰個。Yeah, no need to follow the notes here. Okay. Yeah, if you follow the notes, and then you have additional steps. 你跟翻嘅話，你會有額外 step 嘅，因為我同你跟咗正符噶啦。總之第一個符就係跟足佢，第二個就一定係加，第三個又跟足佢，係咯嚇。得呢個方法係最 cheap 最簡單。但係如果有陣時佢考你，譬如10次方咁樣，得，但係嗰個會慢咗喎，就得。Okay, and then to the power 2. Okay, and then this one to the power 3. And then the fourth symbol. Okay, the first one follow, the second one plus, the third one follow, the fourth one should be plus. Okay, yeah, 2x to the power 1. And then the last one to the power 4. Yeah, and then this one should be follow. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. Got it? Yeah, once again, you can cancel out the power 0 term. It's useless, okay? Yeah, and you multiply all the constant term to the left side, and then you can have the answer. Okay, how about part C? For part C, I'm using the method is that the NCR method, okay? Yeah, remember what you put the term here should be follow the second power index, okay? Follow the second term index, okay? Okay, so what this one we write it down. Why this selective sign here? Because we follow the elective sign here, okay？ 點解呢個負咧？因為我哋 follow 翻呢個正負嗱，係啦。記住喎，第一個即係單數符啦，第一個符、第三個符、第五個符咧就 follow， 係啦，即係跟咁解。第二個符咧、第四個符、第六個符咧就一定係正㗎啦，你哋係加㗎啦，知啊？咁咯，咁啊最快㗎啦。Okay, how about this one? Okay, once again, I don't want to use this expression. I leave the elective sign here. Yeah, yeah, if I would like you to find the specific terms, okay? Yeah, to find the specific terms. What can we do? 算啦，我都有佢呢個啦嚇，算啦，有佢哋先。Yeah, because we are going to use the NCR method. Okay, it's difficult to know the elective or positive sign. So we group this. Yeah, so we put the elective 2 over x. Yeah, to be the second term. Yeah, that means we include the elective sign in the second term. Okay, and then I would like to ask you something like for example, find the fourth term. Only. Yeah, find the fourth term only. Okay, without expanding all. 如果你 expand 晒嘅話，咁你咪都易搞係咪？嚇！但係咧，而家叫你揾第四個 term 啦。Okay, because we starting from 0. Okay, for descending for second term, ascending order. Okay, so the fourth term is that. Think about this. Yeah. So for the solution, yeah, we think about this thing together. 一齊諗啦噃。Yeah, because due to the second term starting with the ascending power. Okay, so yeah, when a fourth term, okay, because it's starting from 0. 因為ascending order 係 starting from 0 噶嘛，係咪？咁如果第四個 term 嘅話，咁即係個 power 即係幾多次方啊？由0開始3次方啦，係嘛？如果由1開始咪4次方係嘛？但係而家由0開始嘛，we're starting from power 0. So the fourth term, that means the power equals 3. Okay. So I found also for fourth term. Yeah. Second term power equals 3. Yeah. 咪做得㗎啦。Okay, if this is the case, okay, we need to know the n first, okay? Because this is NCR, so the maximum power is n. Yeah, Got it? And then what we need to do is that for the fourth term, okay, write down fourth term it should be equals to the NC4. Yeah, yeah. I'll give you the structure first. Okay, the nth term. Yeah, the structure is that. Yeah, sorry, the R term. Sorry, the R term. R term. Sorry. Yeah, the structure is that it must be NCR, and then times the first term to the power. It should be n minus r, and the second term it must be the power r minus 1. Sorry. Yeah. It must be plus 1 here. Got it?要都係減一喎要啊。因為改少少啦，但 R 個 term 好似怪怪地嘅嘛，R 加一個 term 咯，好冇？咁就唔使搞咁多嘢啦呢度。Okay, the R plus 1 term. Okay, it is a standard form. Okay, think about this. Because the fourth term. Okay, so fourth equals 3 plus 1. So the fourth term we know that R equals 3. So what we have is the NCR. So it is a 6 C R. R equals 3. Yeah, and then multiply the first term is x to the power n minus r. So it should be 6 minus 3. So we have 3. And then the second term is negative 2 over x to the power 3. Yeah, that's all. Now this is a method to find the nth term. Sorry, the r plus 1 term. Okay. 又係啦，考試咧成日無啦啦叫你揾其中一個 term 出嚟，就未必叫你 expand 晒佢。咁你用呢個方法就得㗎啦。Okay, after that we do the calculation. Yeah, because it's 6C3, so we press calculator 6C3 EXE, so we have a 20. Okay. 20. So it should be 20 times x to the power 3. And then this one, negative 2 to the power 3. So we have a negative x over x to the power 3. Yeah, all squared. So we know that this one will cancel out x to the power 3. So the answer is easy. So the final answer is to be negative 160. Get it?有問題？好，就係咁啦。